to writing. Oh my goodness. So I brought Pinky and Rex with me, and I wanted to talk today about our opinions about books and finding lots of evidence to help us support our opinion. So the other day I added more to one of my letters, and I typed it up, and I noticed a lot of you have letters that are 2, 3, 4 pages long. But I wanted to remind you that it's not enough to just support one of those opinions. You need to support every opinion with lots of evidence, not just one. So yesterday, I worked a little bit more on this writing, and here's what I typed. And this is about Pinky and Rex and the part where Pinky was feeling unsure about himself. So I said the 3rd grade bully, Kevin, makes Pinky unsure of himself. He calls Pinky a sissy and says that he is like a girl. Pinky feels so unsure of himself that he decides he can't be friends with Rex anymore. The 3rd grade bully, Kevin, makes Pinky unsure of himself. He calls him a sissy and says that he is like a girl. Pinky feels so unsure of himself that he decides he can't be friends with Rex anymore. Here's what I added. Another example of when Pinky feels unsure of himself is when he is playing soccer and Kevin takes his soccer ball. Kevin teases Pinky and tells him that he is a girl. Pinky doesn't stand up for himself. He even starts to wonder if he is a girl. So, in this story, Pinky decides that he doesn't stand up for himself. So, I found evidence in that where when Kevin teases him about it, he doesn't do anything. And that's exactly what happened in the story. So, another time, though, that Pinky is unsure of himself, there are more things in the story and in the book that show that. So, I need to find something else that's going to show me that he feels unsure of himself. And as I was looking at this, because we're working on longer, stronger, more convincing letters, I remembered on the front that he has a soccer ball. Look at Kevin standing there looking at him, ready to take it from him. And one thing I did remember about that is how Pinky's parents have helped him feel better about himself. So I wrote this part, which is another part of my letter, and it's going to go with my first part of my letter that I wrote. And some parts in here, I'll show you the word part later, or in a minute. Even though Pinky feels unsure of himself sometimes, he is lucky enough to have a dad who is supportive. Pinky's dad accepts Pinky for who he is. For example, Pinky's dad is okay with his favorite color being pink. Also, he listens to some problems and tries to help him come up with solutions, like reminding Pinky that he used to be called Billy. So, lucky enough for Pinky, he has an amazing dad and amazing parents who are always there to support him and help him. So that would be another example. And what I wanted to show you about the words is when you are thinking of other reasons for why you came up with something, these are some words you can put in your writing. One reason, because, for example, also, and another reason could be. So this and longer, stronger, more convincing stories, those charts are going to be on Seesaw for you, along with some amazing paper for you to use and write on, for you to come up with some more evidence as to why you feel that way or why something happened in the story. All right, so can't wait to see it, and then I will see you for writing only, writing on Friday. Bye, guys.